Guys, welcome to Drew Tutorial, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to delete or remove an event from your Google Calendar. Before we jump in guys, would you mind take a moment to give this video a like and hit that subscribe button, because this will let me know that you found value within this video. And on top of that, the biggest benefit is that you'll never miss out when I release future videos just like this one. Now let's continue. So go ahead and go to Google, ensure that you're signed into your Gmail account and click the Google apps and you want to search for calendar, click on that. Now from here, you'll find all the events there in your calendar. Now, if you're currently set to the week schedule, you might want to set it to the monthly schedule so that you can easily see the monthly view of what's going on in your calendar. And you can switch between various months by simply toggling to the left or to the right. Now, once you go ahead and you find that event in your calendar, let's say I want to delete this Jay's calendar, all I have to do is just right click on it and simply click on delete. And as you can see as well, you have the options to say delete this event. And if it's a yearly reoccurring event and you want to delete it, simply click on all events and just simply click on OK. And that will remove it entirely from every single year that it occurs within your calendar. Very easy and very simple. Here you have it guys. I really hope you found value within this video. And if you do, don't forget to take a moment to give this video a like and hit that subscribe button so that you'll never miss out when I release future videos just like this one. Thank you guys for watching and see you next time.